Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to speak about the control statements in C. Let us first of all understand what the term control statement means. Control statements are the statements which are used to determine the control flow of a program. If you have seen our previous programs, then you all know that in C, statements are executed one after another. For example, once the statement 1 gets executed, then statement 2 executes. When statement 2 completes its execution, the statement 3 starts its execution. In the similar way, the whole execution process goes on. So this kind of execution is known as sequential execution. Although this sequential execution looks good, it has some drawbacks. In sequential execution, all statements are executed one after another. Therefore, there is no control over the flow of the program. In order to have control over the flow of program, we have to use the control statements present in a language. These control statements helps us to control the execution of program by executing a statement either when a condition is met or repeating it multiple times. To get a big picture of this, let us dive into the control statements available in C language. There are three types of control statements in C. The first one is decision control statements. The second one is loop control statements. And the third one is case control statements. So let us understand what decision control statements means. Decision control statements are used to take decisions in a program. That means it executes a particular statement or a set of statements only if a particular condition is met. For example, I want to execute a set of statements only if the value of the variable is 1. So in decision control statements, we have simple if else, nested if and else if ladder. We'll cover all these topics with an example in our upcoming videos. Now coming to the second type of control statements, that is the loop control statements. The loop control statements are used to repeat the same statements for some amount of time. For example, if I want a statement to repeat for multiple number of times, so instead of writing the same statement for n number of times, I can put a condition inside a loop to repeat n number of times by writing a single statement inside that loop structure. So there are totally three types of loops in C. The first one is for loop, the second one is while loop, and the third one is do while loop. We'll see these loops in our upcoming videos. Now coming to the next type of control statements, that is the case control statements. Now case control statements will be similar to the decision control statements, but the difference here will be based on the value of a single variable. A set of simple statements will be executed. I hope from this video you have got some idea related to control statements in C. In our upcoming videos, we shall start the decision control statements and see each one of them in it. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video.